Hey everybody, here we are, sunny, beautiful day.
Yep.
In East Tennessee.
Yeah, it is.
And we are in Sevierville at the Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And so follow along.
Let's see what they got.
Here we go. Gonna go check this place out. Alright, so this is one of the coolest things in here, which is the Relic Room. So we're going to go check this out.
And I love relics.
Yeah, Steph-N-Lee loves her relics.
That's gorgeous Victorian butterfly displays.
Yeah.
$380 for art, but
yeah, they're not cheap. But if memory serves me, nothing in here was.
no, they're expensive.
Different skulls. It's a warthog skull. That's pretty cool.
Oh, these are odd old bottles.
Yeah, they're cool.
Test tubes.
And what do you call those?
Geo.
That's a big geode. Of course, the price is big too.
This one is found on a
Different old coins and
Lots of good collector's stuff here.
yeah. And then they have like a bunch of mounts and little settings, which is kind of cool.
And the arrowheads.
But they have these kind of things all through the store, which we'll show you.
Yeah.
So, original Japanese samurai armor.
Wow.
And then they have different fossils, which is kind of cool.
Now they know for a fact that that tooth came from that animal.
Yeah, I don't know how, but it's what it says. This, I think this stuff's creepy. Old medical tools, and all I see is somebody wanting to rip my teeth out. So there's a World War I German spike helmet. It's different. You don't see them every day. So I shouldn't find this amusing, but I don't think anybody would want to use that as it's what Amelia Earhart used when she disappeared.
It didn't really work.
Yeah, I don't recommend that.
Oh, I love all these Crocs.
Yep, Stephanie loves her Crocs.
And I feel like they're priced reasonable.
I like the trilobites. They're cool.
Love fossils.
Yep. There's lots of them.
This reminds me of when we went to the Emerald
Village.
Mine. Yeah, Village.
Yeah. There's some more fossils. The megalodon teeth. I mean, who doesn't like them? They're cool. And a tribal feast bowl. Another cool little display they have. And then they have a whole bunch of kitchen stuff.
Outlet kind of kitchenware. Also, I see some cast iron.
Yep, we'll go check it out. So they have this kind of stuff in here. survival backpack. 64 piece.
For $80.
Yep.
And then
An emergency food supply.
52 servings
Yep.
for $80.
What did the duck say to the drake, honey? What did the duck say to the drake, babe? What did the duck say to the drake? Ain't no crawdads in this lake, honey, baby mine. You get a line and I'll get a pole, honey. You get a line and I'll get a pole, babe. You get a line and I'll get a pole. We'll go down to the crawdad hole, honey, baby mine.
Folks, I'm Bubba Bear. This here is Ricochet Raccoon, and our noisy friend is Buckshot. We're the Backwoods Band, and it sure is good to see y'all here. How you having fun?
Of course, we're having fun. Place like this with its amazing indoor waterfall. One of the biggest in the whole wide world. And the biggest display of cutlery collection in the whole wide world.
God, you'll find the very best gift for yourself and everyone else right here.
Yeah, and folks, if you ain't tried our Candy Kitchen homemade fudge yet, you don't know what heaven is. Heaven, I'm in heaven.
Don't leave without some.
And don't leave without tapping your feet to our next number. By the way, the title don't refer to our howling friend here. It's Salty Dog, and away we go.
I was standing on the corner with a low down blues, a great big hole in the bottom of my shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Well, they got some smokers in here. It's kind of cool. Steph and I actually have one, but it's not set up at the moment. Some more cool stuff they have in here.
Now this would look great on our bookshelf, wouldn't it, honey?
Yep. If the bookshelf wasn't already full.
I know, I'm sorry. Wow, that's cool. Old comic book.
Buffalo Bill Weekly. And we got an old Confederate there, Garden.
It's a Confederate.
Yep. And a big moose up there. He's cool.
That's great.
And then they have stuff hanging like everywhere.
Yeah, this place has got a lot of eye candy.
Yep, lots and lots of eye candy.
Oh, look at their decor.
Yep.
Look at that paper towel holder. Never seen nothing like that. $50. Antlered fruit bowl. They're novel gifts.
Yeah. Which I think Steph should get a pair of those.
Nope. We've seen people walking. We actually have seen people walking around in flip-flops that look like frogs.
Or one of those back scratchers, so that I don't have to scratch her back all
No,
the
I
time.
like it when you do it.
And that's cool. A domino canoe set.
And those centerpieces with candle sets in it.
Yeah.
And picture frames of birch and deer. They're cute.
So we found this toilet paper dispenser, or whatever they call them. Toilet paper what?
Dispenser, yeah.
Yeah.
Roll.
You got the little bear holding its nose. That bear's peeking. It's kind of funny.
Huh?
They have a lot of really cool knives, hence the name.
Knife Works.
Yep.
Oh my. His pocket knives are clever. Cute.
Yep.
Mm. to say, not my monkeys, not my circus.
Yeah, not my monkeys, not my circus. There's a white buffalo. He's cool.
Oh, yeah. All of this. All the
Yep.
beautiful little faces.
Something you don't see every day. Mounted elephant and a rhino, for that matter. And of course, more knives. They got axes. And more knives.
I've seen knives in here, pocket knives in here. There's 159, there's 209.
Yeah, they're priced accordingly. We're now entering the knife cave. The Lord of the Rings.
The Terminator.
Terminator's knife. Yep, everybody had a knife. Total Recall knife. Sorry, there's a lot of glare. More Lord of the Ring knives.
Swords.
Swords. S-words.
S-words.
Some more S-words. There's some weapons. Katana swords.
That's 95.
Some throwing stars. My baby want a throwing star.
Not today.
No. How about a fancy helmet?
Let's see if we can find one we don't already have.
We don't have any of them.
In this room.
Well,
I would not want to make a living out of wearing this helmet.
that's a look.
It is a look.
I don't think you get away with much here in Eastern Tennessee with that look, babe.
No, but maybe I could go to Washington, D.C.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, now it's called The Queen Takes Her Seat Finally. And
Oh,
this-
yeah.
Some of the artwork and stuff that they have in here is pretty amazing. And they sell shirts and hats and camo, which Stephanie would say I need a new camo hat, but I say bleh to that.
Well,
I don't think there's a type of knife they don't sell. New, old.
they have very specific use knives too.
Yep. That's cool. Don't let Stephanie see the other monkey.
I want to point something out.
What do you want to point out? So Steph wanted to point out this sign. Think about it. All God's critters have knives. Kind of true. And these are pretty cool bikes. I would think they would be a Berditch.
Bicycle cycle.
Yeah. Only $1,900. I mean, he's cool. Yes. Even Luke Skywalker shops here. All right. So what'd you think?
I thought it was a big store that had a whole lot of knives, swords. oddities. I love
The mounts.
the Relic Museum and the mounts. Oh, well, you know, I love animals, and what's better than having
Them
a
hanging
mount?
on the wall.
Yeah,
Them on your plate.
that's
That's
better.
what's better.
That was fun. It was a
Yeah.
lot of historic things to see at once, and
Yeah, the Relic Room here is really cool. And
it's really cool.
really expensive, but I mean the stuff's like top of the line antiques kind of thing.
Yeah,
And then you have so that was weird, but anyway, I thought maybe they wanted to be in our video. Sorry folks, I know we're all people, you're people, I'm a people,
I'm a people.
but people are freaking strange.
When you're a stranger.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, they have a lot of great knives here. You can buy old knives, new knives, just about every manufacturer probably known to man.
Lots and lots of collectors. Old collections that were being sold.
Yeah.
So if this is something that you collect or you're interested in seeing, it's probably the only place you're going to get a chance to see a collection like this, or
Right.
have an opportunity to buy from every vendor
Right.
of knives that's ever been made.
Yeah. And now they do have different food trucks here too, and which is kind of cool.
Yeah, it smells good out front here.
If we didn't plan on going out to dinner, I would say, hey, let's try one of them out. But yeah, I'm not taking up valuable food space with the food truck. So at any rate, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank for all the great comments we've been getting.
Thank you.
And until next time,
You have a
the
Steph-N-Lee
Steph-N-Lee
day.